Hey guys, welcome to Traveatz. I'm going to show you some food. So today we're having a feast here. What's this called?
This is called Halwa.
Okay, and
This is Gajar Halwa, that is Gulab Jamun.
that's Gulab Jamun. And then we have biryani, we've got other things. I'm going to show you all that in a second. The chicken 65. This is Mutton Chukka. Chicken biryani. Raita. Chicken gravy. Chettinadu gravy, is it? Okay. Then, okay, there was some idiyappam as well. We had idiyappam. Brinjal. Yeah. We had some curd rice, yogurt rice with pickle. Jamun. This is carrot halwa. Oh, this is really awesome. This is my best dish. I love.